Hey guys, this is a tutorial on Doceri and I'm going to teach you how to use it. This is the startup page of the app. When you get to this page, you're going to press from my iPad alone and then it's going to take you here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
You're going to press the plus sign that's on the bottom left corner of the screen and that's going to lead you to pick a size for your project. And you're usually going to pick the iPad default that's on the top. And now it's time for you to start your Doceri project. It's a blank project so you can start. In the middle, there's a toolbar, and on the far left, there's an icon that allows you to pick the color of your background. And you could choose any color, whatever fits your project and the color of your choosing. You can go green, blue, any color. Or that. And you could also choose from different patterns as well. If you go down on the little icon on the bottom, you can choose from a chalkboard, you can do different graph paper, you can do even a coordinate plane for the math-oriented projects. Whatever fits your project, you can use that kind of pattern. Or you can just use colors, whatever you want. Here's how you access pictures. You can access pictures and put a picture from your photo album onto your Doceri project.
Guacamole, 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 guacamole.
And here is your handy dandy tool belt. It has everything that you need to make a Doceri. This toolbox gives you access to everything that you need to make a Doceri. So you can adjust the size of the pencil, pen, paintbrush. You can even adjust the spacing so you can have either a solid line or a spaced out line. You could even test the opacity, which is how see-through or how solid you want the coloring to be. So you can mess with everything and customize it according to what you want to do. And you can even do like shapes. You can do a line, a straight line, you can do a square, a circle, an arrow. And arrows are really helpful when you're doing a presentation where you want to specify or show certain things in your project.
Avocado, 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 avocado.
So you can do tons of stuff with your Doceri. You can draw stuff, you can put lines under things, you can do arrows, you can customize it, whatever you want. So it's really cool and it's really useful. So the coolest part about Doceri and what makes it special is that you can record things. And you can sort of do like a little animation. And to access these animation features, you're going to see a little drop-down menu. Just swipe down and you'll get to see all the stuff that you can do with Doceri. If you bring the little lever back and forth, you could change between frames and you could see every action that you do on the Doceri counts as a frame. Like if you draw a line, it's a frame. If you draw a arrow, it's a frame. And if you adjust this lever here with the little clock on it, you can adjust how fast your playback goes. So if you draw a line or an arrow, it adjusts how fast it does it. So if you lower it down to the slowest setting, look how slowly it plays back the drawing or whatever you did on your Doceri. The two outer arrows in the center are for changing slides, and the two inner arrows are for changing between frames, so smaller increments. And then to make a new slide, you press the little white balloon-looking thing. And voila, you have a new slide. So now I'm going to import a picture of a koala because it's really, really cute. And it has like a little baby and it's really adorable. And now I'm going to show you how to record a slide and how to play everything back. Alright, listen up guys, this is really important. So let's say I want to erase what I wrote. If you use the eraser tool, then it will record the fact that you used the eraser tool. So when you play it back, it'll show that you erased it. But if you don't want that to happen, if you just want to erase it from existence and doesn't play it back, then you use this handy dandy tool called the squiggly line to undo whatever you did and it won't show up again. And now it's time to record. And the funniest thing is I'm actually recording a Doceri tutorial inside of Doceri.
What?
And the coolest part about Doceri is that it's literally recording everything you're saying when you're recording, and it will record everything that you do live. So you can set up everything from before, you can do all your slides in advance, but let's say you want to add something. Let's say I want to write something now. It'll actually record me writing it, and it will record it so then when you play it back, it'll show everything that you did from before, like the pre-done stuff from before, and it'll also do everything that you did live. So if you want to stop the recording, then you could stop your recording, and you could do a number of things of it. You can save it to your camera roll. You can even upload it to YouTube, and now you play it back, see if you like it, And if you do like it, like I said, you could either save it to your camera roll, you can upload it to YouTube, you can even put it in your Dropbox or any kind of application that saves things to a certain drive, or you could even throw it away if you don't like it. And that, my friends, is how you make a doceri. I hope this video taught you how to make a doceri, and I think the biggest takeaway from this video is that it made you more aware of the infinite amount of avocado related songs that exist on the internet.